In this lesson, you will be learning what to look for in a niche. A niche will be the subject matter of your website. It defines the types of products on Amazon that you will be reviewing in order to make your commissions. For example, you might choose camping backpacks as your niche. This is a specific product category on Amazon. You will be selecting your niche based on a few rules of thumb. Rule number 1. The product category, aka your niche, needs to contain hundreds of products on Amazon.com. This way you can have hundreds of pages on your site. These days, having plenty of content on your site will help you rank in Google. Rule number 2. Hundreds of these products should have a cost of at least $50. So, let's say that your commission rate for the product category that you chose is 4%. You will get a $2 commission for every sale of a product that is $50. This would mean that you need to sell approximately 15 products at $50 every single day in order to make $1,000 in commissions every month. Rule number 3. At least 100 of these products should have 50 4- or 5-star reviews. This will give you an idea as to how many people are purchasing a particular product on Amazon. Rule number 4. Don't pick a product category that exclusively sells $1,000 products. This would affect your sales volume to a point where it would not be worth it. Rule number 5. You should be comfortable writing product reviews in that niche for several months. Granted, you do not have to be an expert in the niche or even be passionate about it. You will learn about your niche by doing some online research. While it is okay to be passionate and have expertise in a niche, which can even be advantageous, it is not necessary. You will not be selecting a niche where products don't sell on Amazon. In the next lesson, we will take a look at an example on Amazon.